Hello everyone, welcome to the OpenEduCat. In this session, I'm going to show you how to use anti-cheating features for quiz in OpenEduCat. In the OpenEduCat, faculty and admin have rights to create and declare quiz with anti-cheating features enabled. First of all, let's log into the system using your username and password. I'm entering my username and password and then clicking on the login button. This is the main menu. Let's go to the quiz module. Now click on Create. Here you have to give a relevant name of quiz, as I'm giving a name Quiz Round 4. Now we need to select a category for which category this quiz belongs to. I have selected Category 1 here. After that, we need to select a particular configuration. I have selected Manual here. Now we have to choose from the drop-down assigned to for whom this quiz is created. This option is for those who can attempt this quiz, as I have opted Open for all option. Now the panel, which is shown below, is to create questions for our quiz. Let's create questions. We need to add a relevant question, as I have taken here, what sound does a cat make? Add appropriate marks of question, just like a question can be of 1 marks or 2 marks or so on. Next option is for choosing a type of question, whether it could be optional, fill in the blanks, or descriptive. And the last drop-down is for material type. We can go through any of the given options for our quiz. At last, we need to add answer for this particular question. Grade system is also there for correct or wrong answers. This is the second example of creating a question. If we have to show small message after attempting the quiz, then we have to add here. This is configuration page of our quiz. We can add any of the given configurations which are listed here. For instance, single question per page. If this option is selected, it will reflect on the exam page as per page single question. Previous question allowed. If this option is selected, students can move back while attempting the exam. Only one-time answer. If this option is selected, students can give an answer only once. Of attempts, user can define how many times a student can attempt this exam. All questions are required. If this option is selected, students will have to give all the answers while attempting the exam, as it would be mandatory. This configuration is for the result, which is shown after attempting the quiz. Display result. If this option is selected, student can see their result. Display right answer. If this option is selected, student can see their right attempted answers on result page. Display wrong answer. If this option is selected, student can see their wrong attempted answers on result page. Display not attempt answer. If this option is selected, student can see their not attempted questions and answers on result page. Display on portal. If this option is selected, user can see their result on student portal. This is the configuration of the anti-cheating module while attempting the quiz. Face tracking. If this option is selected, it will track users' face during quiz. Warning limit. Set warning limit that comes during face tracking of student, like how many times system prompts a warning message. Warning state. We need to choose from the given states like in progress after warning. If student exceeds given number of warnings, then also the student will have permission to attempt further quiz. Permission from admin. If student exceeds given number of warnings, then he/she has to take permission from admin/faculty to attempt further quiz. Submit. If student exceeds given number of warnings, then the quiz will be submitted automatically and he/she won't be able to attempt further quiz. Copy/paste allowed. If this option is selected, user can copy-paste things during quiz. Question timeout. This option sets the question timeout in minutes. Take screenshot. It will take screenshots of the opened question of quiz. If user opts random option, then we have to set the range of time to take screenshot randomly in the given start and end minutes. If user opts time interval option, then we have to set the time interval minute to take screenshot periodically. This is the configuration of the starting page to give instructions for students. User can set descriptions under the Description tab. Added description will reflect on exam website view. Challenges. We can define challenges under the Challenges tab. We can define different challenges and their badges inside the challenges. Furthermore, let's log into the system by student credentials to attempt our created quiz. Now go to the Exam tab and attempt the quiz which we created earlier. And start the exam. This is the face detection for anti-cheating. User cannot cheat during the exam. Let's start the exam. This is the first question of the quiz. When your face would not be detected, it prompts errors like you have moved out from the exam window, and warning indicators will be changed, just like the first green indicator. So if we do some external activity or another person comes in the exam window, warning indicator will be changed as shown here. This is how anti-cheating functionality works. Now, let's go to the admin panel and check out the warnings and results of the attempted quiz. These are the warnings. We can download the attachments like this and also see which activity the user was doing. These are the activities user was doing while attempting the exam. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more such learning videos. To try our free demo, visit now www.openeducat.org.